In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to block VPN on TP-Link router. So first, from your browser, log into your router. And once inside, go to the Advanced tab. And here, first, go to VPN, Client. And if you see a VPN like WireGuard connected, just turn it off by pressing the bulb button and press Yes. Or you can also delete it by pressing the pin icon. This stops your router from using a VPN itself. Next is block common VPN ports. And to do that, head over to security. Then next is click on service filtering. And of course, toggle service filtering on. So here we're basically just gonna create rules to block. And to do that, click on the add button. So here we're basically just gonna add some fields for the service type. Look for OpenVPN. So for the service type, we're just gonna name this as OpenVPN block. And for filter service 4, make sure that all IP addresses is selected. And once done, click on the OK or Save button. Next, we're going to add another one. So once again, click on the Add button. And this time, look for VPN PPTP. And for the protocol, choose TCP or UDP. And here for the service type, we can add the word block once again. Also make sure that all IP addresses is selected. Then press OK. Next, we're gonna add another one. So just repeat the same process. And this time for service type, look for VPN L2TP. So for the protocol, choose TCP or UDP. Then for the filter service 4, make sure that all IP addresses is selected, then press OK. And lastly, once again, click on the add button. And this is the last thing we're gonna add. So here, select VPN IP SEC. So for the protocol, once again, choose TCP or UDP. And for the filter service form, make sure that all IP addresses is selected once again. Then click on the OK button. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!